Welcome. Here is how bad credit loan actually works. You submit a single online request form. You fill out the form on their website detailing your requested loan amount, basic income, checking account details, and personal information. This is not a direct loan application. It acts as a centralized request. Second thing is, bad credit loan operates as a loan marketplace. Instead of lending money directly, it shares your information across a network of third-party lenders, tribal lenders, and peer-to-peer partners. Third thing is soft credit review and matching. Lenders in the network run initial soft background checks to evaluate your profile. Since this stage uses soft inquiries, it does not impact your credit score. Step 4 is receive and review lender offers. If a lender accepts your offer, you are directed to their platform. You will review their exact terms, interest rates, fees, and monthly repayment schedules. Lastly is, once you accept an offer, the matching lender platforms performs a final review and add credit check. Upon approval, the money is deposited directly into your linked bank account, often as soon as the next business day. Thanks for watching. Stay informed about your options.